Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Microsoft Fabric versus Azure Data Factory. We will explore their core functionalities and help you understand which platform best suits your data needs. Fabric provides a unified, software-as-a-service experience for all analytics workloads, from data ingestion to business intelligence. Data Factory, on the other hand, is a powerful, serverless service designed for orchestrating and automating data movement and transformation across hundreds of data sources. Microsoft Fabric shines as an all-in-one analytics solution, bringing together several key data disciplines. It offers a unified lakehouse architecture, which combines the best aspects of data lakes and data warehouses, simplifying your data estate. This platform provides a single, software-as-a-service experience, meaning less infrastructure to manage and more focus on insights. Fabric also deeply integrates with Power BI, offering robust business intelligence capabilities right out of the box. Azure Data Factory stands out for its exceptional data integration and orchestration capabilities. It connects to over 100 different data sources and destinations, making it incredibly versatile for hybrid and multi-cloud environments. Data Factory is a serverless service, meaning it scales automatically to handle varying data volumes without requiring infrastructure management. It is ideal for building robust, complex data pipelines that automate the movement and transformation of your data efficiently. So, which one is better? The answer depends on your specific needs. Choose Microsoft Fabric if you require a unified end-to-end analytics platform that brings together data engineering, warehousing, and business intelligence into one seamless experience. If your primary focus is on robust, scalable data integration, orchestration, and building complex ETL or ELT pipelines across many disparate sources, then Azure Data Factory is likely the better choice for your organization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.